hope that the audio is turning out with the mic in the different location.
Yeah. Ready?
Yeah.
Go up over Cedar Ravine.
Cool. That's the way I was hoping we would go.
Sorry, I'm on the left again.
That's okay.
Thing. Land like Georgia dream.
Are you on 101 again?
Nope.
Oh.
I'm on Pandora Country Rock Radio.
Oh, shoot. Oh, well.
Why?
I like being on the same channel.
Why? So I don't mind when you sing or what?
You sing it, baby.
Sing it, man.
What a beautiful day.
Oh, baby, just do your thing. Give up your keys. You can ride with me on that line.
Oh, shit. I forgot there was a top there.
Hey, I do own the whole road, by the way. both directions.
In both directions. How do you spell both? B-O-F-F?
B-O-F-F. Both.
Anyway, I'm looking forward to that knot on my leg being gone so I can wear my regular Harley boots.
Yeah.
What's
Saying, Chippy, baby.
Yep.
What the fuck are they doing?
Oh, that's what he was talking about.
Broken down, huh? That sucks. I'm assuming broken down.
That's what it was all about.
Yeah. And the Chippy was inbound, that's weird.
Well,
Chippy
it probably happened
Probably
after.
doesn't, yeah, probably doesn't know about it.
He would have
Bouncy.
parked his ass behind him with lights on if he wasn't.
The problem with these boots that I'm wearing today is because the heel's bigger, I gotta lift my foot further up to shift, to upshift.
There's a couple
heel.
problems with these current boots that I'm wearing. They're not as grippy, so I don't plant my foot as good, and they're not as tall as what I'm used to.
I just have to more demonstratively pick up my foot
Yeah.
to upshift, because the other ones, the heel's not about almost an inch thinner than these.
Oh.
These are nice boots. I mean, I like them, but
What brand are those ones?
they're Harley.
Oh, okay. It's just the shorter ones.
Probably Wolverines. Oh, jeez.
Ugh.
These are the ones with the big heels.
Ah, gotcha. I know which ones with the tan line.
The Packer style.
Yeah, I like those. Nice section right there.
Yeah. Full road.
Been a long time since I've been on this road. Should I think I had the King when I rode this road last?
Yep. Intersection up here, so just.
When was that? 2012. I got King in September of 12, and then Scarlet in April of 13. In fact, it was the week of your birthday.
Yeah, because I do remember saying it's nice for you to get a motorcycle for my birthday.
I was just showing that you were right, that I should have had a street glide to begin with for your birthday.
For my birthday.
For your birthday.
You were trying to show that I was right for my birthday. Is that what you said?
Yeah, that's what I.
So
you know.
the whole thing was a birthday present for me.
Right.
I got you. How did I miss that?
Not buying it, are you?
Not so much.
I don't know why. It's perfectly logical to me.
Well, of course. Mark Adams lives off this road right here, or on this road, I should say.
Is he still there, you think? Or did
Yep.
he move out of state like everybody else?
No, he hasn't gone anywhere. Just exactly right.
Just exactly right. I love being just exactly right. I'm glad we went this way because 49 South is not as much fun as 49 North, if that makes any sense at all.
Yeah. Well, we haven't been on Bucks Bar in a long time,
Yeah,
so I figured we'd go this way instead of Pleasant Valley.
I do like it.
This road's pretty jacked up in the winter too.
Yeah. As per
Well, it's
most of
basically been
California, but you know,
chip sealed over and over and over again, so.
yeah. But we've been paying all year long for 75 cents of gas tax, yet it hasn't done a shitload of good, has it?
Yeah.
So if that new bill, the law enforcement bill, passes, I'll be one step closer to moving it, selling every piece of shit that we own and moving out of this state.
I'm on hand.
I'm not gonna watch our blue brothers freaking get killed left, right, and center. And we won't get any new recruits because of it.
Well, the good news is that we live in one of the best places to live in. You know,
That's
you will
true.
not want to go. You will not want to go to the city at all
Right?
because the fucking hairballs they'll run rampant.
Even worse than what they already are.
Even worse than what they already are right now. We're just on we either go Bucks Bar, which is the shorter way, or you go out Pleasant Valley and through Pleasant Valley and then out E16 all the way. And this just cuts into E16.
Well, I would like to go by Shenandoah Valley if that's the way you're talking.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, that you kind of have to, because
Okay.
where you come out on E16, it's not,
Oh, the river is beautiful.
it's pretty, not too heavy either. Pretty swift, but not too
Yeah.
heavy.
Are you having fun, baby?
Yep.
Me too. I hope that the audio is turning out with the mic in the different location.
Yeah.
Okay, Mr. Toyota, you're taking my fun away.
Yeah, he's doing the best he can, but he's going pretty slow.
Yeah, well, it's not like we would go much faster anyway because there's two vehicles ahead of him. Do we go straight?
Yeah, we go straight.
Yay!
See you here in a minute.
Here I come.
They're actually going pretty good now.
Oh, because it's a straightaway.
And there's a car coming. Yeah, right. So as soon as we hit a curve, they'll slow the fuck down. This road's kind of beat up.
Dude, it's really bad.
A little bumpy.
Hey, have I told you how much I love Jim?
How much you love this? Yeah.
Well, I said Jim, so...
Oh, Jim.
Jim.
I gotcha.
And not the boy Jim, the pretty girl Jim.
Oh, Jim, not Jim.